What is a protocol under international law? The term protocol usually means a treaty amending or supplemental to another treaty, such as the 1924 Geneva Protocol, for the pacific settlement of international disputes. In addition, the term protocol is frequently used in the expression protocol of signature of a treaty or statute or regime, to which it is appended, such as the 1920 Protocol of signature of the Statute of the Permanent Court of International Justice. A protocol is sometimes used in the same sense as conference minutes. Increasingly, the term is employed to connote an agreement supplementary to a principal treaty, adopted at the same time or subsequently, like the optional protocol to the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights of 1966. On the other side, the term protocol is used in international politics to describe the rules and principles governing titles, courtesies, precedents, and procedures employed in relations between states.